Hi, my name is Carrie Lusignan and I'm a certified Gottman Method couples therapist and I'm here for About.com. Today we're going to talk about tips for attending marriage counseling. So you and your spouse have decided to attend couples therapy and are wondering what to expect. It is important to go into couples counseling with the right disposition and attitude. Chances are it's taken some time for your marriage to reach the level of distress that it's in. And while it's understandable that you may come into couples counseling hoping that the therapist can identify and treat the problems that you're there for, it's most likely that the therapist will need to spend a little bit of time first understanding your history as a couple and the communication style between the two of you and how you got to the place that you're in before they actually began to treat you. I'd like to highlight several things you can do to increase the chances of couples therapy being successful. The first is to commit. It's not uncommon to come into couples therapy and feel ambivalent about the process. Many people feel as though they've tried many things before they arrive into the therapist's office and oftentimes feel half-hearted, withdrawn, or disengaged with the whole therapy itself. Couples therapy takes time, and depending on the severity of the issues, it may take more or less time. Do not expect instant results. It took time for your relationship to reach this level of distress, and it will take time to undo that. Plan on devoting regular time to couples therapy, homework related to counseling, and spending time with your spouse. Expect to be asked difficult questions and to be given the opportunity to talk to your spouse in the manner that you never have before. In couples therapy, it's important to be honest with your partner and your therapist, but it's also normal to feel scared, intimidated, and a little bit hopeless. The amount that you're willing to risk will determine the success of the couples therapy. Secrets create distance. This process can be challenging and stretch you outside of your comfort zone. It takes time to learn new behaviors and replace old, ineffective ones. And have compassion for yourself and your partner. It takes courage to do couples therapy and make changes to long-standing dynamics that have existed between the two of you, often for years. Cut your relationship some slack and be open to the process of change as you learn new things. It's huge. A question you might want to ask your couples therapist is if there are any resources they would recommend to help supplement the process of couples therapy. In this day and age, there's tons of material out there in the forms of books, audio material, and videos. Not only are these materials extremely helpful, but they may also help to speed the process along a little bit and ensure the success of the marital counseling for you and your partner. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit us on the web at About.com.